Good morning. It's 1 o'clock. It's not morning. It is Saturday. Today was Epcot day. But y'all, we didn't get up and get dressed. So Epcot tomorrow. Epcot is tomorrow. Go to the beach today. My bestie had to change her outfit. She had got up and got dressed. Okay, she was not part of the problem. She was up and dressed. She went for a jog.
Let me tell you a little something about me.
I love it. I did. I went for a little jog.
She went for a little jog this morning. You know how when people be jogging, and bro, people be like, that's what I need to be doing. She was actually doing it.
Yo, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I felt that. Like niggas was looking, you know what I'm saying, driving, looking at me past the window. I was like, yeah, y'all should be doing that.
Y'all should be doing it.
I'm not gonna hold you. I ran out of breath.
You did.
I ran out of breath.
Huff, huff.
It was
puff.
It gave jog walk, and then it gave walk jog.
You feel me?
Just that.
She put the shoulders into it and called it a jog, but that's
Just that.
wait, she put the fucking donut on the breakfast. Look.
Hold on. You want my plate? You want my plate? You want my plate? Show the chef. Show the chef, not me.
Chef Bobby Zay. Chef Bobby Zay.
What's going on, y'all?
You gotta come authentic, bro.
With the bonnet.
The bonnet is you. To be honest, if anybody knows Zay,
No, it's not. Take that bonnet off, bro. Crazy as hell.
with the bonnet.
Cause you crazy. You crazy.
With
bro.
the bonnet. With the bonnet.
Like, I feel disrespected.
With the bonnet.
Cause your hair.
Bonnet game.
No, so my hair not long enough. It's not going to be nappy.
Nigga, you can wear a do-rag with that shit.
No, don't disrespect.
Oh.
Shit dripping.
Oh. You feel me? Look.
That's extensions. That's extensions.
Nah, nigga, it's natural.
Nah, nigga.
I seen you last week in the salon. It was in there, you know what I mean, clipping them Jones on.
He
Look.
put the bonnet on.
That's a track right there.
We here right now.
That's a track right there.
I got footage from the hookah bar, hookah lounge. Y'all, we came back to the house drunk. Got here, kept getting drunk. We got in the pool, panties and bra. My man got in the pool. And drawers. My man got in the pool, said, I'm in here in my drawers. We said, say no more. We stripped. Got in the pool.
Yeah, you should have been there, bro.
Should have been there. Boy, we had a time last night. That shit was too good. That was too good. Let's get the bill. Her.
Naja, please. Get some food in yourself.
Naja, please, like a
Yo, Naja, ate a whole boil. That shit stayed in her stomach for 2 hours. Bitch gonna say I wanted that. Did you?
Yo, so let me tell you what. Basically what happened, we went to the hookah bar. And we was getting bottles. And Dio had bought me a bottle of champagne for my birthday. And then they was ordering shots. And I'm like, God damn, I can't not take the shot. It's my birthday. He got it for me. But I was like, babe, I looked at it, so I said, babe, if I take the shot, it's the end of the night. I'm blacking out. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I don't know what I'm gonna do. He said, fuck it, babe, just go throw up. I said, you right? All right, hack, look, life hack. Let's just go throw up real quick, right? Real quick. Y'all, I'm thinking, for some reason, mind you, we went to Juicy Crab. I'm thinking when I threw up, I was just gonna throw up the shot. I don't know why I thought that shit was gonna be, it was gonna stop there. That's what that was gonna be enough. I threw up the whole damn boil. Threw up the whole boil. Egg included.
Threw up the whole damn boy.
Egg included. Egg included. Everything was up. And I was salty as shit because I went to go throw up. I thought it was just like one, right? The whole boy kept coming up. I said, it kept going, y'all. In the hookah bar, kept throwing up.
In the bathroom. I was throwing up. Happy birthday!
We had a time last night, y'all. Hey, y'all. So the beach is chalked. We X'd that out. Look, let's give him a pool party.
Whatever the fuck Naja's talking about, let me tell you something about
It's
Naja. He not fucking right. He not right in the head.
Go!
Some could say he fucking dead.
Oh,
Let's go!
wait.
Who next?
No. I missed it. It's giving a pool party because it was going to rain at the beach. It was 2 hours away, and it wasn't giving it. So now, be in the pool.
It was a pool party. I got pushed in the pool.
She got pushed. Jean shorts.
You know what I'm saying?
Careful, just stop right there.
Oh, try this.
None of you guys can flash me. None of you guys can flash me.
This nigga treating us like
Matter of fact, none of you guys can flash me. Post my
You ain't coming with me?
I gotta treat y'all the same. I gotta treat y'all the same.
Oh man.
Who ain't throwing?
Alright, you're not allowed to say done up anymore. That's all I hear.
No.
That's how I'm gonna treat your nigga too.
Oh.
Hold on.
What's the beef?
Let's go, Quando.
Quando!
What, yo?
Corny ass jump.
Yeah, that was not it.
Corny ass jump.
That's mine. Oh, the first one is mine. No. And then I want mine. He about to dunk you. It's 350.
Here we go, Zay.
Zay, you ready?
Oh!
You got to break his fucking. Hold on. Alright, there we go.
Yeah, they did.
Alright. He taking his own shot. Hold on, Daisha ain't get no shot. Hold on.
I just took mine.
Oh, I ain't see that.
I ain't seen that
He
neither.
shouldn't get. We ain't see that. We ain't see that.
You see that?
Hold on, Daisha, come on.
Take another
For
one.
the vloggy vlog.
I'm a late, but I just took one.
There you go.
She gangster for this.
Oh, all right, come on. I know that's right.
Yeah, Dash.
Yeah.
You want some of this?
Zay need a shot.
Come on, bro. What you talking about?
Yeah, take that shit.
Bring that shit.
Yeah, okay.
That shit. Bring that.
Leo, where you at, bro?
What's up?
Where you at? We in the booth. Look, he went the bro.
Damn, put him out there. Put him on the black part.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. I just run it.
Yo, I just talked to my man.
Hello?
You said right now? He said right now.
It's time?
He said right now.
Before I go, would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? You're my baby, some action. These days, oh my yeah, just be blasting.
We in the car. We go to the food truck place. So we drink, smash 3 big bottles. Smash them. Then we on the way to the food truck. That's this. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. How cute. How cute.
I'm here. They say y'all coming?
Yes. Oh, about shit. She gonna say, hey.
I'm like, hold on before I get out. Because I want to vote. Wait.
The vloggy vlog. I'm losing my voice. We are at the food truck place. Look. They thought it was just this one or two. I said it's a whole parking lot for the food truck.
Whole parking lot.
Whole parking lot.
Whole parking lot full of food trucks.
Full of food trucks.
They're crazy. Eat it up.
Now the voice going, the alcohol soaked in her juice box. What you call it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like,
It's sucking me up.
So I'm gonna give it.
It's sucking me dry.
I'm gonna be her voice. How you be?
What it is, it's Naja Alexa. She can call me Naj.
If you want. Hey.
Come on. Come on. Shake your ass for him. Shake it a little bit. Shake it a little bit. So, what.
Shein. Oh wait. Off of Shein. Bag Amazon. Shoes. Shein. Hair by me.
Here by now.
Of course.
Of course. What am I on? Okay. That gives very much Shein. Kids from the store.
What store?
Damn.
I think Primark, y'all. Look, it's a $15 fit. Shoes from where I get these shoes, y'all? H&M clearance. Bag Tory from Emma. You know, I don't usually do the real designer, but yeah, cross from the Lord. Knock his dreads off. My man just saw the body. I just call him Randy Moss. Hey, thuggin' in my room box. I know with a cheap shop. I know Pete Hot. Try to make a Pete box.
It's on and popping. You got options. It's on and popping. You got options.
Ignorarla delante de ti, ni siquiera pronuncié su nombre, que al mi alma está hecha tirones, que tengo en mi corazón,
He's so big. What the hell?
What the fuck was happening? Sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what the fuck was happening. I said what I said. Like, what the fuck was that? Like, the fuck is on this biscuit? Like, please.
He had the mic right here.
No.
You said the fuck is on this biscuit?
What the fuck was going on? He had the tip joint. He was singing like, what was happening there, so? That's your cousin? Oh, not the Puerto Rican. Not baby.
Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican.
So God, I got one more chance to go. He look like he fed up. So you fed up?
You always get more chances, baby. It just might be fucked up.
No, you've been testing Zoe since you met her.
No, I have not been testing Zoe. That's the thing.
Zoe look like he always ready to get you.
Zoe has not fucking me since day one.
Alonzo, anything you want to share?
Yeah, just met me, thought I was a bitch off rip. I don't know what the fuck I did.
No, she thought you were a drug dealer, not a bitch.
All of the above.
Nobody ever thought that the nigga was a drug dealer. Let's everybody calm down. I don't know.
That's just crazy.
I recall, mom.
This was crazy. It never gave bitch.
Just drug dealer?
It never gave bitch. He sent me a voice note. He said, I just want to remind you guys I'm not no fucking bitch.
Did it hit you?
Yes.
That's my good sis.
Why they always bring me into it? I'm not just wondering.
Oh, you can't turn the camera?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm sorry. Damn, I was trying to turn the camera on y'all. My bad.
Scaring the little girl, goddamn.
Yo, cute. Stop.
Scaring the little girl.
That be alright.
She's not scared.
Hold on.
Yes, she is.
It's my favorite couple. Zoe, say hi. Don't be rude. It's my favorite couple. My good sis and my good Alonzo.
Alonzo.
Nobody addressed me by my government.
I'm sorry, Zoe.
By me.
Now, at least you gonna say the real thing.
Shit, sis.
Only me.
Yeah, that's the only
Alonzo,
one.
and
One and only.
Pissed.
She go whatever she
I
wants.
said, Alonzo, you serious?
Are you serious?
Huh?
Yo, I swear Zoe gonna be like, yeah, she never invited to nothing. It was good. It's actually great.
It's kids room. I gotta be PG 12.